Every day, millions of soap bars begin their journey right here, inside a modern manufacturing plant.
From raw oils to the wrapped bar in your bathroom, the process involves over a dozen precise stages.
Let's follow that journey, step by step, from the very beginning. It starts with raw materials. Tallow, palm oil, and coconut oil arrive in bulk tankers. These fats and oils are pumped into heated storage tanks to keep them in liquid form.
Each batch of oil is sampled and tested in the lab for purity and fatty acid content before use.
Sodium hydroxide, the key chemical needed to convert oil into soap, is stored separately under strict safety controls.
Fragrances, colorants, and moisturizing additives are also weighed and prepared in advance.
Every ingredient is measured against a precise recipe, the exact formula for that soap variant.
Once measured, the raw oils are pumped into the saponification reactor, where the real transformation begins. Inside the reactor, oils are heated and mixed with sodium hydroxide solution.
This chemical reaction, called saponification, splits the oil into two things: crude soap and glycerin.
The mixture is cooked at controlled temperature for several hours to complete the reaction fully. The result is a thick paste known as neat soap, the base of every bar that follows.
This neat soap is transferred to settling tanks to separate from leftover water and impurities.
Glycerin, a valuable byproduct, is drawn off separately, often reused in cosmetics or pharmaceuticals. The soap is washed with brine to remove excess alkali and purify it further.
A precise pH balance is achieved, so the finished soap will be gentle on the skin.
Next, the purified soap is pumped into a vacuum dryer. Moisture is rapidly removed. It emerges as fine, dry soap noodles, ready for the next stage. These noodles are the base for every fragrance and variant the factory produces. From here, the plain soap base is ready to be transformed into a finished, branded bar. The dry soap noodles enter the amalgamator, a heavy-duty mixer.
Fragrance oils are added in carefully measured doses to create the soap's signature scent. Color pigments are blended in next, giving the soap its distinctive shade. Moisturizers and skin conditioning agents are added to enhance the bar's care benefits. The mixer blends everything until the color, scent, and texture are perfectly uniform.
The scented, colored soap mass now moves on to be refined.
The soap passes through refining rollers called a mill. This milling step evenly distributes fragrance and color while removing any remaining air pockets. The soap is typically milled several times to achieve a silky, consistent texture. Quality inspectors check the ribbon for smoothness, color consistency, and scent strength.
Once approved, the refined soap moves toward shaping. The soap enters the plotter, a machine that compresses it under vacuum to remove all trapped air. A rotating screw forces the dense soap mass forward through a narrowing barrel. It emerges as a single, continuous, dense log of soap, perfectly uniform in shape. This compact structure gives the bar its long-lasting hardness and lather quality.
A rotary cutter slices the log into equal billets, one for each future bar.
Each billet is carried to the stamping press, the machine that gives the soap its final shape. In a fraction of a second, a plain block becomes a finished, branded soap bar.
The wrapped bars are then packed into individual retail cartons. From here, trucks carry the finished Lux soap out to distributors and stores worldwide.
From raw oil to a wrapped bar, this is the journey behind every Lux soap. Precision, chemistry, and craftsmanship.
Every single Lux soap bar tells the story of the process behind it, from factory floor to your hands.